The Preview app in iOS 26 works as a built-in document and image manager that connects directly with the Files app. It lets you view, scan, annotate, and organize PDFs and images all in one place. One of its most useful features is the ability to create custom folders, so your files stay neatly organized without leaving the app. Here's how to create and customize folders in Preview on your iPhone 17. Start by opening the Preview app. Specify your parent location like iCloud Drive or On My iPhone. Let's use iCloud Drive for this guide. While in the iCloud Drive, tap the Browse tab at the bottom. Then tap the three dots at the top of the screen. From the menu, tap New Folder. Enter a name for your folder, then tap the check mark to save it. Your new folder will then appear in the Browse list of the parent folder or directory, ready to store documents and images. If you want to create another folder inside the new folder you've recently created, tap to open the parent folder. You'll notice the drop-down label at the top now shows the folder name, which means it's now the parent folder or directory. While inside this folder, tap the three dots again, then tap New Folder from the menu items. Enter a folder name, then tap the check mark to save. The new folder will now be created inside the parent folder. To customize your folders, long press the folder icon until a menu appears. Tap Customize Folder and Tags. Tap Tags, then choose a tag color or label you'd like to use. You can select preset tags or create your own, and you can even combine color and label tags for better file organization. Once you're done selecting tags, tap the back key to return to the main customization menu. To change the folder icon, choose from preset categories like People, Animals and Nature, Food and Drinks, or Activity. You can also use an emoji instead. Just tap Emoji at the bottom and select the one you want. The emoji will appear as the folder's icon. When you're finished, tap the X button to close the menu, then tap the back key to return. You'll now see your newly customized folder on the main preview screen. You can edit your folders anytime. Just long press a folder to rename, duplicate, customize, or delete it whenever needed. The new folders you created in the Preview app can also be accessed and managed straight from the Files app. Just launch the Files app, then go to the locations where you created your new folders. For tagged folders, just scroll down to the Tags section, then tap the tag you used, and you should see your folders inside it. And that's it! You've successfully created and customized folders in the Preview app on your iPhone 17, making it much easier to manage your documents and images. If this video helped you organize your files better, give it a like and check out our other tutorials to learn more useful features on your iPhone 17. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this.